Hello, I'm Dr. Trader Amir and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the most important candlestick patterns that are so practical and can be used in analyzing and predicting when is the best time for buying and entering the market. At first, I'm gonna review some of candlestick patterns that I have talked about in previous videos. The first one is hammer candlestick pattern. Hammers are mostly happen at the end of downtrend, and if you look at this so closely, you can see that hammers are so similar to shooting star, but they are so similar to reverse shooting star. In shooting star, there was a long upper shadow, but in hammer there is a long lower shadow, and also shooting stars were mostly red and hammers are mostly green. And in this instance, which is from Bitcoin market, we can see that at first there was a downtrend and the price decreased from approximately $49,000 to less than $40,000. And when the market sees this hammer candlestick pattern, suddenly changes its trend and react to it, and the price increased sharply and increased from approximately $39,000 to more than $55,000. And this proves that how a hammer can be, how strong is hammer candlestick pattern in charts. And also the second candlestick pattern is morning star. Morning star is so similar to evening star, but uh, evening stars mostly happen at the end of uptrend, and morning stars mostly happen at the end of downtrend. In morning star, there is three candles. The first candle should be red, and the third candle should be green. And also for getting approval from Morningstar, there was three conditions. For example, the first one was there should be gap between first, second, and third candle, and the more gap between these candles means the stronger pattern that we will have. And also another condition was volume condition, and it was about the volume of the third candle, I mean the green one, should be higher than volume of trading in these two previous candles. And also this instance is from Bitcoin market, and we can see that at first there was a downtrend and the price decreased from approximately $97,000 to less than $95,000, and suddenly the market sees this morning star candlestick pattern, and it shows that the market was so sensitive to this candlestick pattern, and it changes the trend from downtrend to uptrend, and the price increased from $95,000 to more than $99,000, and this substantiates how strong Morningstar candlestick pattern can be. Another candlestick pattern, which is so essential to know, is bullish engulfing. And also, I brought you two examples for this candlestick pattern to grasp the information more properly. Bullish engulfing means that the green candlestick pattern should engulf the red candlestick pattern entirely, which means that the buyers are so stronger than sellers. And also in first example, which is from Bitcoin market, at first there was a downtrend, and the price decreased from approximately 97 $800 and to 96 2000 $96,200. And suddenly when the market sees the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, it changes the trend. It means that the market was so sensitive and conscious about this candlestick pattern, and the price increased sharply from approximately $96,000 to more than $99,000. And also the second instance is from gold market, and we can see that at first there was a downtrend and the price decreased from approximately $2,630 to less than $2,500, and the market suddenly sees this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and it was so sensitive to this candlestick pattern, and it changes the trend from downtrend to uptrend. And also the price increased from $2,500 to more than $2,630. And one of other candlestick patterns that can be used to predict when is the best time for buying is three white soldiers. This candlestick pattern mostly happens at the end of downtrend, and when the market sees this, there is a possible change in the trend from downtrend to uptrend. And also, there are two conditions for this pattern approval, and these two conditions make this pattern so much stronger and more powerful. The first condition is the green candle should have higher highs. I mean, these candles should have a closing price higher than the red candle, and we can see that it is true. For example, in this instance, and also the volume of trading in green candles should be more than and higher than red candles. And also, I brought you a real-time example instance from Bitcoin market again. Uh, I show you in my videos that with the price action method and the price action candlestick pattern, we can analyze and predict the price in Bitcoin market so easily. And for example, in this chart, we can see that at first there was a downtrend and the price decreased from approximately $72,000 to less than $52,000. And suddenly the market sees these three white soldiers, these three. And it is obvious that the market was so sensitive to this candlestick pattern, and the price increased sharply after this candlestick pattern and increased from approximately $56,000 to more than $88,000, and that was a so sharp increase in the price of chart. And also the other candlestick pattern, which is so important and essential to know, is Tuesday bottom. Tuesday bottoms are like kind of bullish reversal pattern, and this candlestick pattern is consists of two or more candles with equal lows. That these equal lows will form the horizontal support level. And also, for getting approval from this candlestick pattern, there is two conditions. The first one is this should happen at the downtrend, which will help us to make a support level. And also the other condition is two candles should be identical. I mean, their lowest point should be at same level. And also, I brought you a real-time example from Ethereum market, and we can see that at first there was a downtrend, and the price increased from $3,500 to less than $1,000, and the market suddenly sees this Tuesday bottom, and you can see that the market was so sensitive and aware of this candlestick pattern, and after this candlestick pattern there was a so sharp increase in the price of market, and the price increased from approximately $1,100 to more than $4,000, and we can see that there was a approximately $3,000 increase in the price of market after seeing this Tuesday bottom candlestick pattern. And this uh, proves and substantiates that how strong to the bottom candlestick pattern can be, and markets are so sensitive and reactive to this candlestick pattern. As I mentioned earlier in my previous videos, uh, learning and knowing about candlestick pattern is not enough and sufficient. You should analyze, you should read, you should understand markets. You should, for example, read the chart of Ethereum or Bitcoin or gold market and trying to find a candlestick pattern to know how to predict the price of market. And as I mentioned earlier, trading is so similar to mathematics. In mathematics, uh, solving problem is not just by memorizing formula. You should practice and rehearse so much to be so expert in mathematics, and trading is so similar. And just by knowing the candlestick pattern, you cannot be a professional trader. You should rehearse in several different charts from different markets to grasp the information of candlestick pattern more appropriately. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you having a good weekend, and also I hope you have a good trade. Have a great day. Bye bye.